DrGarimaAsati welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Friends, today I am going to explain you about the topic warts in English on the demand of few of my non-Hindi patients. So let's continue with what actually warts are. So these are the small, thick and rough elevated growth on the skin, and it is almost of the color of the skin. It is very common nowadays and 13% population suffers from it, and it is more common in young persons. Friends, before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till yet, kindly subscribe the channel, tap the bell icon to get the latest update of the videos, and kindly see the video till the last, because in the last I am going to explain you about some of the homeopathic medicines which can be helpful in curing this warts. Now let's discuss about the symptoms of the warts. So these are especially non-cancerous growths. They are present mostly on hands and neck area and usually presents no symptoms, but it may become painful if present on the feet area. So it will be painful. Now let's discuss about the causes of these warts. So human papilloma virus, that is HPV, is the causative factor for these warts. Genital warts may become cancerous. Now let's talk about the risk factors of these warts. So a person using public shower or public toilet, having weak immunity, and if the person is having any previous history of eczema or psoriasis. Now let's talk about the types of the warts. So the first one is common warts or Verruca vulgaris. It is also known as palmar warts because they are present at the region of the palm, and also known as junior warts. These are the warts which are rough and raised surface from the skin. Next is flat warts, also known as Verruca plana, and these are flat, that's why they are smooth, small warts having flattened surface, and they are fresh colored, and these are especially present on the head region, face, neck, wrist, hands and knees too. Next is filiform or digitate warts. They are filiform, finger-like or thread-like projections, especially seen on face, head, near eyes and lips. Next is genital warts, also known as condyloma acuminata or Verruca acuminata, and these are present on the genital area. Next is periungual warts. They are especially present around the fingernails, especially on the fingers, and they are like cauliflower, and they are present in clusters. Next is plantar warts, also known as Verruca plantaris. They are hard, painful, especially present at the pressure points on the soles. That's why they are too painful. And the last is mosaic warts. So they are tightly clustered, especially present at the region of the palm, hand or soles of the feet. Now let's discuss about the diagnosis of these warts. So clinical examination is more than sufficient. Now the treatment part. So according to allopathy, surgical removal of the warts is the only therapy via laser or via cryosurgery. Now friends, let's discuss about its homeopathic approach. So at first we'll discuss about the cause of this warts homeopathically. So whenever a person feels insecurity, so just to overcome that insecurity, patient forms an overgrowth over that particular area, and that overgrowth may lead to this wart. So any psychotic growth is just because of that insecurity. Now friends, let's discuss about one of the cured case of this warts via homeopathy. So a patient aged 12 years suffering from a single wart, which is cauliflower like a big and isolated wart which bleeds often, and he is having a thought process that he is too delicate. He is like a girl. He is very soft, doesn't want to play anywhere, aversion to company, and aversion to playing, aversion to do any work, very cautious, having fixed ideas about everything. So after taking whole history, we took the rubric delusion body parts are delicate, and the medicine given was Tuja 200, and it cured him completely within a period of 20 days. Why 20 days? Because the disease is of only 2 months. Now friends, let's discuss about some of the homeopathic medicines which can be helpful in curing the warts. So the first medicine is DrGarimaAsati. So there is flat, smooth warts or hard, horny, pedunculated warts. They especially occur in groups and it gets aggravated after cold washing or cold bathing. Now let's discuss about the mental symptoms of this DrGarimaAsati. So there is mental confusion and can't think properly, reject things when offered. So if these symptoms correspond, DrGarimaAsati will be helpful in curing such warts. Next medicine is natrum sulph. So there is pedunculated red warts or soft, smooth warts all over the body. And the mental symptoms of this natrum sulph is there is aversion to life, there is suicidal tendency, and patient wants to shoot himself from a gun, and inability to think, aversion to everything. So if these symptoms correspond, natrum sulph will be helpful in curing such wart cases. That's all for today. We'll meet soon with a new topic, new subject. The clinic address of mine and the contact number is given in the description link. And friends, it's my humble request to you all to don't take any medicine without consulting doctor. Otherwise, it will not be too much helpful for you. And kindly subscribe the channel, tap the bell icon to get the latest updates of the videos. Stay connected to stay healthy. Thank you.